Okay, so I've had my Aventon Aventure now for almost 3 years. I have almost 1,000 miles on the bike, and I decided I need mirrors. And I bought these mirrors from Amazon, and they're very easy to install, and I'm going to show you how they are installed. Obviously, I just installed the left one. On the right hand side, you're going to see a cap, which is very easily removed with a screwdriver, which I will demonstrate. So what you'll need to do is get a screwdriver and basically pry this out until it pops out. And you're going to have a cap, which you will not need. And obviously this is the diameter of the mirror that will be installed inside this hole, and I'll show you how that works. So the kit I got was from Amazon, and they're pretty much all the same, and they come with very, very basic directions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to install this simple mechanism into that hole. It does come with the tools, everything you need, except it does not come with a screwdriver, which I'm sure everybody has. But the basic concept is you're going to slide this mirror into the hole that we just exposed, and we will tighten it from this end, which will expand this piece here and make it snug. So let's give that a try. Okay, so here's the finished product. Basically, you have a nut here and a hex nut here, which will tighten the mirror. And it does move left, right, up, down. And I have it installed. I just gave it a test run, and it rides great. As you can see, they're not too far off to the right and left, so it keeps it still pretty tight without having to hit too many items. Now you can, if you choose, push them up this way as well, which works just as well. I'm doing it this way because right now I'm riding on road. Once I get into the dirt trails, I do push it up because I'm usually running the brush and other things, and it keeps it up, gives me a little bit more room. But I do have a cluttery deck here. As you can see, I've got the mirror, I've got my mount for my camera, and I have an iPhone mount, and of course the other mirror. I do like this bag here that I've installed. I put my iPhone, usually when it's raining, inside this case, and it still gives me the ability to navigate the phone, which is great. And I did put the front rack in, where I keep some water, extra water, because I do have my water bottle down here, and my goggles, and all good.